What's the deal with Olaplex?
Do you know about Olaplex?
Some 30 customers are suing Olaplex.
A luxury beauty brand touted by influencers on Instagram and TikTok is the target of legal action.
A new lawsuit claims that a popular hair care line is causing bald spots and scalp injuries.
This month, a ban was put in place by the EU regulatory authority.
So, Olaplex has been in the news a lot recently, and let's break down why. A class action lawsuit has been filed in federal court in California, holding Olaplex accountable. 28 consumers reported that Olaplex products caused injuries to the hair and scalp, and some reported hair loss. Olaplex has since shared its safety reports from clinical trials stating that all products marketed have been rigorously tested, with the test results showing no irritant or sensitizing potential. Doctors have even weighed in and stated that the most common cause for hair loss in men and women is genetics. Hair loss can be due to medication, environmental stresses, diet, lifestyle changes, pregnancy, and even menopause. Often, we as consumers self-diagnose and we blame the last product that we used or the product that we've been using the most throughout the day. Hair loss is not caused by a shampoo. If your hair loss is concerning you, consult your GP or dermatologist and they will help you investigate the root cause of the problem, no pun intended. For more insights into the world of manufacturing consumer products, head to dcsgroup.com and corange.com.